Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly what Upscrolled is, why it's trending, and whether it's worth using. So if you've been hearing a lot about this new social media app and want the full breakdown, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, let's start with what Upscrolled actually is. Upscrolled is a new social media platform launched in June 2025 by Issam Hijazi, a Palestinian-Australian developer. The app focuses on microblogging and short-form video content, similar to platforms like X, Instagram, and TikTok. Now let's talk about why everyone is suddenly moving to Upscrolled. Recently, a lot of users have been frustrated with platforms like TikTok, X, Facebook, and Instagram. Many people say their content is getting very low or even zero reach. Certain words can no longer be searched, and their feeds have changed drastically. Because of this, many users believe their content is being restricted or censored, and they're not happy about it. Upscrolled, on the other hand, markets itself as a censorship-free platform where everyone gets fair visibility. Now, here's where things really took off. After TikTok was acquired by a group of pro-Donald Trump U.S. investors, many users started calling for a boycott of TikTok and began searching for alternative platforms. This caused a massive surge in interest in Upscrolled, pushing it into the top 10 free apps on Apple's App Store. Between January 22nd and January 24th, 2026, Upscrolled reportedly saw a 2,850% increase in downloads, with 500K plus downloads in Play Store alone, which is absolutely huge. Now let's talk about what makes Upscrolled different. Unlike most social media platforms, Upscrolled does not use a traditional algorithm to decide who sees your posts. That means everyone gets equal reach, there's no shadow banning, and your content actually gets shown. So if you've ever felt invisible on other platforms, this could be a game changer. However, keep in mind that Upscrolled is still very new. The user base is smaller, and there are some bugs. Sometimes the app can feel slow or crash, but it's available on official app stores, people are actively downloading it, and it's made by a real company, so it's legit. There's also no monetization or reward system yet. It's simply a platform for posting, sharing, and connecting without being exploited or buried by algorithms. And that's it. So, while Upscrolled isn't perfect yet, it definitely has huge potential. If you want a simple social feed where your posts actually get seen, it might be worth checking out.